Hi guys, let's see how to recover unsaved document if your computer crashes and you hadn't been able to save your Excel document. So how to recover it? First of all, open any Excel file or open Excel. Okay, now click on File. Now click on Info from the left menu. Now locate Manage Workbook. Just click on this downward arrow sign and these two options will appear. Just click on Recover Unsaved Workbooks, and here you will find any unsaved workbook which has been saved by your system. Now you have an option that says Recover Unsaved File. This is a recovered file that is temporarily stored on a computer. If this is your file, save it. Now if this does not work, there is one more thing. This is the path of the recovered workbooks or Excel files. Just copy this. I have pasted it in the address description of this video, and just copy and paste in the address bar, hit enter, and you will reach the folder of this unsaved files. If that is your file, click on it and see if this is your file, save it. And if this also does not work, you can try looking at the recycle bin. Just click on recycle bin, and if there is any file, you can right click and restore that file. That's it guys. Please do like the video.